Hey everyone, I hope you're doing great. I know learning English can feel difficult sometimes, but you're not alone. I'm here with you. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can learn to speak English just by listening. Yes, it's that simple. So stay with me till the end. Let's grow together, one step at a time. And remember, even Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba, failed many times and struggled with English. But he never gave up. He kept learning, kept listening, and today, the world listens to him. You can do it too. Let's begin. There was a boy. He was not rich. He was not smart. He didn't speak good English. People laughed at him, mocked him, and called him useless. But that boy had something, a fire inside him, a dream. That boy was Jack Ma. Jack Ma was born in a poor village in China. His parents were folk artists. They had no wealth, no strong background. As a child, he was often rejected, humiliated, and made fun of. His English was terrible, but he didn't give up. Every single morning, Jack Ma would ride his bicycle for 40 minutes just to talk to foreign tourists, not to earn money, not to show off, just to learn English, because he believed women. If I want to rise, I need to grow. He failed school exams, not once, not twice, 12 times. He applied to Harvard 10 times and got rejected again and again. He once applied for a job at KFC. 24 people went. 23 got the job. The only one rejected was Jack Ma. Would you give up by now? Most people would, but not Jack Ma. He said to himself, "If no one gives me a chance, I will create my own chance." Then one day, he saw the internet for the first time, and he got an idea. What if I use this to help small Chinese businesses connect with the world? Everyone called him crazy. No one in China uses the internet. They said, "You're wasting your time." They laughed, but he believed, and belief is more powerful than fear. In 1999, Jack Ma and 17 of his friends started a small company in one tiny room. No fancy office, no big investors. Only one thing, a big dream. That company was called Alibaba. He knocked on 30 doors for funding. All said no. Still, he kept building. Still, he kept believing. Today, Alibaba is one of the biggest companies in the world. Millions of people buy and sell through it. And Jack Ma, he became one of the richest, most respected men on earth. But the real richness wasn't in money. It was in his journey, from being rejected 30 times to being accepted by the whole world. Final message, emotional ending. You see, Jack Ma didn't have talent. He didn't have a perfect background. He wasn't a genius. But he had one thing, courage. The courage to try, the courage to fail, and the courage to rise again. So if you're struggling today, if the world is rejecting you, if your life feels stuck, don't give up. Your story isn't over. Because one day, the world will clap for you